I will surprise my friend. Look! He he he. What are you doing? I am going to surprise my friend. Shh! Here she comes. Woo! Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. You surprised me. I did. Let's do that again. Okay. I have an idea. We could surprise each other. Yes, we could surprise each other by the big rock. Yay! You go this way, and I will go that way. Where is Gerald? Where is Piggy? He is not here. She is not here. Where can my friend be? I will look on the other side of the rock. She is not there. He is not there. Oh no, maybe Piggy is lost and about to fall off a cliff. Or maybe a giant bird grabbed Piggy and flew off with her. Or maybe a scary, scary monster is trying to eat her right now. Poor Piggy. Maybe Gerald got hungry for lunch. Piggy must be saved. I am hungry for lunch. I must save her. I will get lunch. I will save you, Piggy! Lunchtime! Ah! That was a surprise. A big surprise. Plop, plunk. Next time, let's play tag. Deal. The end.